एक विदेशी ने भारतीय से पूछा, क्यों तुम्हारा भारत महान है? आध्यात्मिकता के संदर्भ में तुम्हारे देश का क्या योगदान है? भारतीय बोला, गोरे बाबू नादान, आपको भारत के बारे में नहीं है कोई ज्ञान, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान। These poetic verses are not normal verses. And मैं ये सब इसलिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं एक प्राउड भारतीय हूँ। भारत एक्चुअली में महान है। And I'm gonna prove this to you by telling you 3 most amazing real life stories and achievements because of Bharat. Bharat is a land of deep spirituality through powers of many divine souls, saints and yogis. This spiritual land has helped big tech giants to achieve what they are right now. The world's first trillion-dollar companies, Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, visited Kainchi Dam in city of Nainital when he was going through rough phase of his life. He came here in search of inspiration, motivation, to find his inner self and to get enlightened. In Bharat, Jobs followed great Neem Karoli Baba, also known as Maharaj Ji, who was a practitioner of spiritualism. Jobs stayed in India for a few months and it is said that his stay in India changed his thinking completely. His faith in intelligence and technology was completely rejuvenated after following path of Maharaj Ji. और जब स्टीव जॉब्स वापस अपने देश गए तो वो बिल्कुल वैसे नहीं थे जैसे पहले थे। वो बिल्कुल बदल चुके थे, सोच से भी और भेष से भी। He returned back to his country as a yogi with a shaven head. Apple's Think Different advertisements also featured his personal idols, which included Mahatma Gandhi back in 97. Interesting, right? Well, now this cannot be a coincidence. Mark Zuckerberg, one of the greatest tech titans, also visited the same Kainchi Dham ashram during his early days of Facebook. He visited this ashram at the suggestion of his mentor Steve Jobs back in 2008. Jobs told Zuckerberg that in order to reconnect with what he believed as the mission of his company, he has to visit this temple. A lot of people wanted to buy Facebook and it was on the verge of getting sold. But this visit to India changed mindset of Zuckerberg completely. He now firmly believes that in order to grow, he needs to connect with people, and rest is history. Well, the third story will prove you that there's something magical about Bharat. In Feb 1968, English rock band The Beatles traveled yoga capital of the world, Rishikesh. The members were eager to explore spirituality and meditation as most of their songs were not hit. But their 3 months long stay in India happened to be the most productive period for their songwriting. They wrote almost 48 songs within that short span and almost every song was a big hit. George Harrison, the lead guitarist of the Beatles, even took lessons of sitar from his mentor Pandit Ravi Shankar. Well, we are living in a time when we are seeing greatest in the world praising Bharat for their traditional culture and spiritualism. But सिर्फ भारत के अंदर की कुछ negative forces ही believe नहीं करती अपने देश पर. Bharat has proved his global presence in every sphere, every field. Bharat has told the world that even if you lose everything, if you have confidence in you, then you can recreate everything once again, and that will be success. If this video has made you proud in any way, then just share this video with your friends. Tag your friends and let them know how lucky we are that we are born in this magical country, Bharat.